Namaste. Me Lomash Karki, HR Director, Vivanta Kathmandu. So it gives us immense pleasure that we, Vivanta Kathmandu team, is going to organize or collaborate a very fantastic, professional sessions with Subhasri College, which is located in near to New Baneswar and supported by these DV foundations and those vocational training, especially these are for females only, and the females belongs from the deprived and some the poorer background. So this opportunity gives us one of the opportunity to support to our society as well, and simultaneously our Vivanta Kathmandu is Taj managed hotel, and as per the policy of Taj we did lots of CSR activities. Out of that, right now we are running one Pathya concept. So as per Pathya concept, what happens there, same kind of opportunities, those people, those deprived people, those marginalized people who they actually want to uplift their skills, uplift their economic background. This is the opportunity, somehow they can get confidence and can be fruitful contributor to the company, not to the company, to the country as well at last. So we will be very happy and very excited to join and resume these initiations, and I could be very thankful to Subhasri College, and I could be very thankful to our executive chef as well, because he has also determined to provide the support, and especially to our cluster general manager Mr. Ravi Nissal as well. He is also much excited and encouraging such type of initiatives.